I've been using a red light mask for years for my face. I really wanted a panel for my body. I reached out to the company. I was having a final breast cancer surgery. They kindly sent this to me. I would like to tell you about my experience, and I hope this helps you with your purchasing decision. This is a red and near infrared light. It is not like a face mask in that it's not touching your skin. Distance 6 to 12 inches away, probably more like 8 from the body. The closer you are, the more focused it is. And the further away, the more area that it covers. Clothing. If you just look at the listings, everybody you're seeing has clothes on for pain or recovery. Uncovered skin is the correct way to use it. I do it at night and I just don't have any here, and then I'll maybe do it on my stomach. I fall asleep with it on all the time. Then it's usually a little bit further away. It gives off a little heat, just kind of a gentle warmth. It's relaxing. And I usually fall asleep. Adjustable right here. Then 360-degree swivel so that you can target the area that you want. Find myself using it for relaxation too. And pain support, yes. In my case, yes. Muscle and tissue recovery. Circulation support too. Infrared light is often used to help local blood flow. Realistic expectation, you can use this near your face, but it's not the same as a face mask that sits directly on the skin. Like it on, I like the way it feels. I wish I could explain that better. I just feel like I'm doing something helpful for my body or inflammation or setup. Super simple. It's basically a tripod with this on the top. When you get it, it's under a minute. You basically figure out that it's like a tripod. Now, you see where I have it now? That's where it's the most unsturdy. If I have it more where, you see how the legs go all the way down? If I have it like that, it just takes up a bigger footprint. It's just more stable. And if you have the room, I would say do it that way. Now, it's definitely more stable than it is. If you're in a smaller space, bring them in. And when you bring them in, it brings it up. So you lock it into place here. It will be a little bit top heavy. If you can have it bigger, it'll just be more sturdy. I might hold on to the base until I get it exactly where I want it, make sure it's stable, and then go from there as a small footprint, which I do right now. The remote is super simple to use. So let's turn it on and it'll go to level 1. It goes all the way up to level 4. 45 minutes from 5 to 30. 20 to 30 is the max suggested. Using it 3 to 4 times a week. However, it's to a specific body part. So you could use it for 8 hours straight, getting all the different body parts. It'll work its magic and then it'll go off. The way I use it, I'm asleep by the time it goes off. This isn't about instant cosmetic results. It's about regular use for comfort, for recovery, blood circulation, sleep, pain relief, recovery. It is not something that you only pull out when you have something bothering you. Having clothes on and just having it on is somewhat comforting. I'm sure there's something to that. I'm not a doctor. This is not medical advice. If you are sensitive to the heat, there is a setting. It's kind of like that. So because it's going on and off, it's not emitting as much heat. I hope that helps, and I hope that answers any questions that you have, because they were some of the questions that I had. I hope that helps make your buying decision, and I'll see you on the next one.